afternoon and good night. It's a brand new beautiful blue day here. Blue only in my hair, not in the sky. The sky is gray, cloudy, but still hot because you guys know we're in full summer mode. How are you guys doing? We are up and about. How's Wednesday morning?
Good morning, guys.
Looking fine as ever.
Thank you.
Sarah, say hi. Good morning. Hello. Tyler, say hi. You're trying to sleep? Okay. You guys, we're off on an adventure today. Can you guys tell I'm tired? Should I say I'm tired? I'm woozy because I woke up very early this morning. I couldn't go back to sleep, so I just woke up and got dressed and do what I need to do before heading out. So I can feel that right now. Oh, I can feel that catching up to me. Tyler also woke up early, so Tyler is a bit tired. He's trying to sleep right now. But like I said, we're heading on an adventure. We're going hiking. So we are on our way there, about 50 minutes drive away from home. So we're all dressed and packed and ready to head out on this beautiful adventure to discover something new. It's a brand new day. You know, that's what we do when it comes to the weekend. We discover things. So we're on a side of Nice that we don't normally come to. We've been on this side probably 1 or 2 times. A lot of bush. So there's nothing really to show you guys, but of course I know you guys love the scenery, so I'll still show you guys exactly what it looks like. A lot of greenery on this side. Yeah, so have a good day. Subscribe to the fam by my 51st time. Give this video a thumbs up also, and enjoy whatever it is that we have to show you today. Have a good, amazing, wonderful, safe day. Look at Minnie. Look at her. What you doing, girl? What you doing? Ty, you're not trying to sleep? Oh yeah. And the battery don't die. Try and sleep, Ty. The trail and
25 minutes.
25 minutes in.
It looks a hard one.
Yeah, it's a lot of
easy, a lot of stone. I mean,
wait, baby shark. Wait, baby shark. So we've been listening to Baby Shark along the way, so that's why Sarah getting miserable because she wants her baby shark. Look, you guys.
But it feels good.
Yeah.
So we are in the middle of the bush here. You can see all around. We have some wonderful view. I don't know if you can guys see it.
No, they can't see it from
here. Is the beach, is Nice. We can see Nice, we can see Antibes, and yeah, we're going to this little castle. I don't know if you see the castle.
Take this.
I'm gonna try to show you the castle. Yeah, you can see a little bit the top of the castle here. This is where we're heading. Sarah
wants her baby shark.
She wants her baby shark, so we're gonna play baby shark and continue walking. We're gonna bring you to the castle. Yes, Tyler?
Est-ce que le roi et la reine qui étaient dans le vieux château, ils sont morts?
Oui, parce que le vieux château, ça fait très longtemps, ça fait 200 ans ou 300 ans qu'on n'utilise plus. Il n'y a plus personne dedans. D'accord? We're inside one pieces. Look.
Papa, je crois que
Say
ça,
it in
c'était-
English.
I think here was the room where the queen and the king sleep.
Okay, you think that was the bedroom?
What is that? Is that castle you're in?
Yeah, we are in a castle.
Old castle?
Yes. So here's a little corner windows. I think it was windows at the time. Some
Mais il y a
hall.
beaucoup d'air ici.
Here is a little way. So I think people. Let's just see what is here, and then after we will probably go back. So this is the biggest tower. I don't know how you call that in English. I know you call that donjon in French. This is always the biggest tower in the castle. This is the one you can see from far. So it's still there. It's still there. I'm not sure that in 100 years it will still be there, but well, they say in the past they used to build strong things. So I'll probably
Papa,
be
je
here.
peux aller ici?
No, let's find Mama.
Maman, elle est partie de
Mama, elle est de l'autre côté. Mama is there. Let's try to find her, okay?
Stopped to have lunch in the bushes. We're having sandwiches as usual. Everybody's eating. Sarah is eating and watching her tablet because she's a little bit fussy. But we're at a good spot right now. There's some people in front of us having family picnic. Oh, with a nice little view.
It's a nice place for picnic.
Oh yeah, family gathering.
Especially here you have places
Mama,
like you can play games.
Okay.
You can play a lot of ball games.
Nice little spot for family. Guys, back on the journey we go. I was just flying my baby just now. I was just flying the drone. Got some little footage of where we stopped. So right now we are back on the journey to walking. We have a very long way to go. So let's do this on charge while I'm waiting for Princess to fall asleep because she's very tired. You hear her? She don't sound like a person that's tired. But trust me, she is. Look at these beautiful flowers along the way. Ty, how are you not in front? Hey, go to the front. Is rough and even gonna lie because Sarah fell asleep. Sarah fell asleep and no, I don't want any candy.
But you want water?
No, juice.
I mean juice.
Papa gonna give it to you. Sarah fell asleep, so we take a little break under a tree. Resting a bit before we go again. Tyler drinking juice. I feel like something crawling in my bottom.
At least every time Tyler drinking juice or drink water, all of this thing, the back feel like.
Yeah. Look at Sarah sleeping. She's sleeping. Well, little breeze. We get a little breeze under the tree. We're sitting under a willow tree, you guys.
In the middle of the way.
In the middle of nowhere. Look at our surrounding. That's where we're coming from. In the middle of nowhere, the desert. We and Jesus trotting the streets.
I enjoyed today.
Me too. The good thing is that you're seeing nobody. Nobody at all. We and the bees and the butterflies and the flies and the lizards. Tyler thirsty and drink all the juice in one go. You thirsty, Ty?
That's why he drinks and say about that. Hi guys, we reached the top of the peak. So we have a view from all over. I think here you can't see, but the top here is Monaco. So then is here, you can see the landscape. Okay, we're gonna go down here. I'm gonna show you, and here you have Nice. This is the beautiful Nice. So let's try to show you. Yeah, here's the city, here's the beach. You can see, we can see much better than what you see in the camera. That's a little bit sad, but yeah, let's catch them. Maybe we find it a better view.
Back home and the football game is on. Babe had to watch France game while I went shopping, so he was in the car because the kids were sleeping, so it was a perfect moment for him to catch it on the phone because we didn't make it back home in time for him to watch it on the TV. So we're home and I'm trying to prepare some dinner for the fam bam. I have some chicken going in the air fryer. Let me show you guys that. Hold on. Chicken air frying. There we go. Almost ready. So I have chicken in the air fryer. And there is rice and pasta in the fridge, so I don't have to cook any carbs for the kids. I'm just gonna do some salad, and that will be dinner for tonight. What's going on right now? Oh, the kids are here too, watching TV and eating popcorn. Having appetizer. Look at them. Tyler, she's enjoying you putting them on the cushion. Oh my God, Tyler, take time. They're eating up the entire pack of popcorn. Y'all will be full by dinner is ready. These two playing with the potty right beside them as if she's gonna pee in it. You guys, this potty churn is a whole new topic. It's a whole new fail. Look at them.
Here.
That's her favorite. Sarah, come and do this one. This one. Come, put it in. Wow, bravo! Yeah, star. Where does that go? Bravo! Where does that go? What color is it?
Pink.
No, it's red. Red. Say red. Yay! Bravo! What color is it?
Green.
Green. Good job. Where does it go? Yay! What color is that?
Orange.
Orange. Good job. Where does it go? Yay! What color is that? No, red. Say red. Yay! Good job, princess. She wants them again. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna leave them.
So where does this go? Oh.
Oh! The O goes in the O. Good job!
Oh.
O. O is for? O is for? Orange. That's banana in your hand. You love your belly too much, boy. Yum, yum, yum. What?
Where's the fish go?
Mother, please. Where's your water? You guys, if you're a Jamaican mom, then you know exactly what Sarah is wearing right now. I think every Jamaican kid wear one of these. Hey, tell face night night. It's time for bed. Where you going? Hey, hey, hey. You want me to drop you? 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 Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. The only baby picture I have of myself, I'm wearing a shoes. Hey, let me bite you. Let me bite you. Let me bite you. Let me bite you. I'm gonna bite you. I'm for dinner. I'm for dinner. Sorry, taste yummy, yummy. You guys, she's going to bed now. Tell him bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give Papa a kiss. Go give Papa a kiss. Run, go give Papa a kiss. Go to Papa. See Papa there. Over here. Give Papa a kiss. Run to Papa. Yay! Give Papa a kiss.
Look at the legs, baby. I was acting like this. What's wrong with
Where you? I'm gonna cut that out. You guys won't see what teachers do.
Of course, I don't expect
So
you to
rude.
put
Look at my
this
hands.
Why you?
Workout really working.
Alright, I think that's good. I mean, that's perfect.
You're a hot mess. You don't want to see my sexy body.
Hi guys, good evening everybody. It's the end of the day. Enjoy today.
Yes, I had a good tiring day.
Oh,
that
my
walk
foot
was.
feel
I
tired.
feel my legs jiggling like jelly at the
I
end
need
of
the
the
bath.
walk.
I need the bath and the spa and the massage and everything.
Okay.
But I think we both need the same things, right?
Something like that.
I enjoyed today. She enjoyed today. I think the kids enjoyed today. So I enjoyed. She danced while she was walking. Tyler walked very well today. He didn't really complain. He was just all along. He was fine. He was tired at the end, but that's normal. That's normal. We walked for what, 3 hours? 3 hours walk. About 10K. Up and down, up and down, up and down. And yeah, that was a good day. That was a good day.
Sarah it got hard for me when Sarah fell asleep. But the minute she slept for probably like an hour. The minute she slept and wake up, then I was able to put her back on my back. And once she's on my back, then the walk is fine. But when she's at the front and sleeping,
that's how you do when you
rough.
when you carry a bag. You carry the bag on your back. and in the front. In the front is only for safety. If you're going to the ghetto, you just put it here so you can see that nobody open it. I know about Port Anderson, remember?
Port Anderson is not ghetto.
Downtown. I went downtown market on my first trip in Jamaica. That's a story. That's a story to tell. That's a story to tell. I went downtown.
Where you went downtown?
On my first trip. Oh, that's a story that we
Where you went downtown?
Huh?
Where you went downtown?
Me and my friend. Me and my friend.
These two men go downtown. Take taxi from Bob Marley Museum and go Hero Circle and walk from Hero Circle go downtown.
No, the opposite way.
That's what they did?
The opposite way.
Walk from downtown to Hero Circle.
But we also went inside the market and we did all of this.
Two of them, you know? Two of them and Jesus.
We are following to his book. What's wrong with this book sending us
Tell
there?
him to do that now. That was what, 10 years ago. Tell him to do that now.
2011.
Tell him to do that now. By the time they reach Savagery, they would have naked.
No, same thing.
A joke.
Yeah.
But it's not safe. Me say, when he told me on the phone he did that, I was at a freaking heart attack. Can you guys imagine? Almost at a heart attack.
That's a story to tell. But today's not the day.
Comment down below if you guys want to hear that story. Some people can tell that story from the start
to
end.
Frenchie in downtown. Yes.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and tomorrow's one will be very special, so make sure you guys come back to catch tomorrow's vlog. Love you guys. If you did enjoy today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, because you can keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. I just love the camera. The lighting is so good.
Better?
Oh, and the lighting, the light that we change out, no, it's just so perfect.
So guys, we also have a new drone.
Yeah.
So you're gonna start to see some. We start the practice today. She started the practice today.
Yes, I'm piloting training.
We're gonna try to show you so much things and to improve
the vlog. And we're excited for these sky views that you guys gonna get when we go on adventure today, because of course it's my first time, so you know it's trial and error, and I have to learn what to do and what not to do and how to do this and how to do that. So with time I'll get it and I'll get better at it. But it was cool today to test it out, to see what it's like. So the footage that we got, you guys would have seen it in today's vlog. Anyway guys, I'm going to my bed.
See you tomorrow.